Hi, everybody. I'm Angie. Nice to see everybody again. So I'm still in the field placement where I work with women and for long-term treatment for addiction, mental health, trauma. Um, yeah, so still there. Let's see. One thing that I enjoy about my field placement is just the fact that I get to see my field instructor every week and get feedback and work with her. I really like to learn on ways that I can improve and also get the feedback on things that I'm doing well. Challenge that is still a challenge is time management. Even though I'm doing it and I'm getting through it, it's still a challenge, being a single parent and doing school, and then he's got sports stuff and working and all of that. It's still a challenge to balance all of that out. Something that I've learned about myself in the field placement is that it's okay for me to ask clients for feedback on how they feel like the sessions are going. I was able to do that with the women that I work with, and it wasn't as bad as I anticipated. I was really worried about what they were going to say, but I learned that it's okay and it's actually beneficial and important to be able to do that because it's always good to know how to improve and stuff. So yeah, excited. This is it. It's the last semester. All right, we'll see you all. Thank you so much for watching.